For many, spring cleaning means breaking out the pressure washer. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. After the break, we'll talk about where and where not to use one right after this. Are you in the mood for some binge watching? Well, you're in luck because today's homeowner has partnered with Amazon Prime Video. Grab your favorite streaming device and log in to watch more than 175 full-length episodes of the Today's Homeowner television show. Get all of your best how-to advice and simple solutions for your home on demand. Best of all, it's totally free for Prime subscribers. Find Today's Homeowner on Amazon and start your viewing marathon today. A pressure washer is a great cleaning tool because it uses water at high pressure to force away dirt and grime. But water at that pressure can also do a lot of damage to your home. While these tools are great for concrete drives and vinyl siding, other surfaces require some thought and care. Wood, hardboard, and fiber cement siding can be cleaned with a pressure washer, but you must use caution. Using the sprayer too close to the surface can remove paint or gouge the material. The same is true for wood decks and fences. Keep a little distance away from the surface. Windows and doors, however, should never be cleaned with a pressure washer. The high pressure can blast away their seals, damaging them and creating a mess inside. Spend a few extra minutes and wash them by hand. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.